Did you know there is a clock that can err by just 1 second every 300 million years? But is this really the most accurate clock? And what about time with God? The atomic clock is a striking example of humanity's ability to understand and exploit the precise physical laws that govern the universe. It reflects the cosmic order and precision created by the Creator. The Holy Quran gives great importance to time and refers to it in various contexts and dimensions. God Almighty swears by parts of time, such as the era, the forenoon, the night, and the dawn. The oath indicates the greatness and significance of what is sworn by. Indeed, time is the vessel for work and responsibility. Did you think that we created you in vain, and that you would not be returned to us? The believers are 115. The timing of acts of worship like prayer, fasting, and pilgrimage is extremely precise, teaching Muslims discipline and respect for time. Indeed, prayer is a prescribed duty for the believers at specific times. Women, 103. The Quran indicates that the concept of time is not absolute, but can vary depending on the reference. And indeed, a day with your Lord is like 1,000 years of what you count. Al-Hajj 47. The angels and the Spirit ascend to him in a day the measure of which is 50,000 years. Al-Ma'arij 4. These verses open horizons for thinking about the nature of time, which transcends limited human perception. This aligns with some modern physical concepts, such as Einstein's theory of relativity, which links time with space and speed. The observer. The Quran points to the precise movement of the sun, moon, and planets, each having its own time system, and the sun runs its course for a term appointed. That is the determination of the Almighty, the All-Knowing. And the moon. We have determined its phases until it returns like the old date stalk. The sun is not allowed to overtake the moon, nor does the night precede the day, and each is in an orbit swimming. Yasin 38:40. The connection between the precision of science represented by the atomic clock and the miracle of revelation. The greatness of the Quran does not lie in the explicit mention of the atomic clock, as it is not the aim of the Quran as a book of guidance, but lies in several aspects. The atomic clock relies on the stability of atomic properties. This stability and precision in the laws of physics is part of God's creativity in His creation. The Quran points to this precision, the creation of God who perfected everything. Ants 88. The human discovery of this precision and its use, as in the atomic clock, is a testament to the greatness of the Creator and the precision of His creation. The Quran's discussion of the relativity of time, a day with God being like 1,000 years or 50,000 years of what we count, was centuries ahead of its time, before science reached these concepts. Similarity. This does not mean that the Quran explains the theory of relativity, but it indicates that the concept of time is deeper and more complex than it seems, which is consistent with advanced scientific understanding. The Quran continuously calls for contemplation of the universe and the signs of God. Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the alternation of the night and the day, are signs for those of understanding. Ali Imran Ayah 90. Scientific discoveries, including our understanding of atomic precision leading to the atomic clock, are the fruit of this contemplation encouraged by revelation. The miracle is not in finding every modern scientific theory literally mentioned in the Quran, but rather that the Quran, as a divine text, does not contradict established scientific facts, and often lays foundations or makes subtle references that align with what science will discover later, indicating its divine source that encompasses all knowledge. The accuracy of the atomic clock as a scientific achievement reflects the exquisite precision in the laws of the universe set by the Creator. The Holy Quran, as divine revelation, addresses the concept of time with multiple and profound dimensions that surpass the prevailing human understanding at the time of its revelation and align with what modern science reveals about the nature of time and the universe. This harmony between the observable universe, God's book, and the readable Quran is what many refer to as a form of miracle, and it calls for increased faith in the greatness of the Creator and the precision of His revelation.